Napakasaya. Maraming matututunan, maraming mamotivate, at maraming pang-aasenso sa mga susunod na panahon.
Ako po ay naging diamond sa loob lamang po ng 4 months, no? Sa lahat po ng mga nandito, nakikita niyo po, we have 1,100 participants po na papasok po sa ngayon. Ito po yung first anniversary.
Live good. Sali na kayo. Umasa kami na anuman yung magiging training namin dito, makakatulong talaga sa aming pag-angat. See you at the top, mga Live Good members.
So many prizes, raffles, and then pinakamahalaga is yung program ni Coach Fernan. Within 6 months, pwede ka mag-diamond lang.
Magkapatid kami dito, partner kami sa Live Good at ina-expect namin ang maraming surprises ng BMW, especially si Coach Fernan at ang Live Good Community International.
Training po ngayong araw na to, marami pong magbe-benefit, lalo na sa mga 1 million subscribers po.
Yes, mag-live good na po kayo. Andito na po yung sagot sa ating mga pangangailangan at pangarap.
Grabe naman po, tingnan nyo naman. And di ko in-expect kami kasi ako, na-overwhelmed din ako sa sobrang saya.
Ine-expect po namin na marami po kaming learnings dito at after po ng training, I will go for Diamond! Diamond! We are so glad that this is our first step to become a millionaire and become a diamond in this Live Good company.
To train ourselves, to improve ourselves, para dumami tayo kasi ang live good is the best business as of today. At ito talaga ang maraming matutulungan natin. We can help more people here in Live Good.
Ito pong araw na to, we celebrated this for a power Zizel. And the main goal, Coach Ferds, is para tayo ay lahat matuto, mag-aral, para maging
Diamond! Grabe, swerte, oh!
Correct.
Kami nung nag-training, nangangapa kami. Bakit? Walang nag-guide sa amin. Pero inaral namin.
correct.
The good thing, yung mga bago, meron na kayong susundan. Warriors International! Yes! 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 Go! 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 Team Diamond! Everybody, sumigaw! You can start your goals today. Sama-sama po tayo. I am not exempted. All of you, lahat po ng mga leaders, hindi po exempted. Gagawin po natin our first 90 days in Live Good. We must appreciate those people, lalong-lalo na yung mga nag-e-effort para lang po maturuan po tayo.
Ako po, nakikipag-usap po ako sa tao. Nandun lang po ako sa kwarto ko. Lahat po ang nandun sa akin punbo. Inisa-isa ko po yan. Inisa-isa ko pa. Nung nandito na po ako sa Live Good, ang sabi ko po, ito na. Dahil sa totoo lang po, ako po, hindi ka naman po kalakihan ng kinikita ko. Pero hindi ko po tinitigilan yan. Kasi po, hindi po ako nakatingin sa ngayon. Ang tinitingnan ko po, yung yes! Na darating sa buhay.
Meron po kaming munting handog sa inyo. Yan, grabe. Parang gusto ko umiyak.
Ako nga pala yung panganay sa aming magkakapatid. So, 4 po kami, ako po yung panganay. So, ako lang po yung inaasahan sa pamilya namin, especially ng mga magulang ko, na talagang makaahon kami sa hirap. Medyo nawala na kami ng pag-asa, pero thank God, dumating po.
I tell you, 2 to 3 years from now, we are all millionaires. Pag-asa na mabago ang buhay mo, kaya ka sumali kay Live Good. Tapos, nung nahirapan ka ng konti, magpuput ka. Pag nahihirapan ka, isipin mo lagi kung bakit ka nagsimula. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. Paano ba na-perform yung belief? It depends on the thoughts that you feed into your minds, because thoughts becomes your feelings becomes your action, and your action will determine your results. Your action will define your destiny. If you want to become successful, it is very, very important that you have to stay positive at all times. Even if you are surrounded with negative people, you have to remind yourself that you have to stay positive.
Kung sila nag-39 to 40 million naman, ang ilalim niyan may kumikita 30 million naman, 25 million naman, 20 million naman, 15 million naman, 10 million naman. Kaya in 3 to 5 years from now, ordinary income ng taga-Libgod will be 500,000 to 1 million a month.
He is a professional network.
All right, guys, let's talk about the network marketing industry and how it works. So as a lot of you guys know, all these products, nutritional products, supplements, skincare products, they all cost about $8 to $12 to make on average, right? But companies are selling them for $60, $80, even over $100 so they can pay out a lot of money in the compensation plan. Does that work? Well, it works for maybe 1% of the people who are actually making money in the company. Kind of works for another 3 or 4% who are making a little bit of money or making enough to cover their monthly product expense. But 95% of the people in the company who get in for the reason of making money are making little to nothing. Haven't signed up a single person, haven't sold a single product. Some of that's their fault, some of it's not. I mean, it is hard to sell a product for 60 or 80 bucks when your friends can see a very similar product on Amazon for half the price, right? Let me put things in perspective for you. What if everything in your life was network marketing? What if everything had a compensation plan? And what if you made money every time you referred anyone to anything? A restaurant, a movie, a hotel, the grocery store, right? Let me give you some examples. What if your friend told you about where he goes to get his haircut? And normally a haircut costs 15 bucks. But because it's network marketing and you need that 6 to 8x markup, you're going to pay $80 for that haircut. So your friend, the person who referred you to that barber, can make a $20 commission, right? I mean, would you pay $47 for a cheeseburger so your friend can make 12? How about a can of beans at the grocery store? Costs $1.50. But because it's network marketing, it's going to be 12 bucks. But hey, your upline is going to make $5 on it, so it's okay, right? No, it's not okay. I don't understand why in every other aspect of our lives, none of that stuff is okay. But somehow in network marketing, it's accepted that you're going to overpay for products. It makes absolutely no sense. You've got people at the top of the compensation plan driving around in brand new Mercedes. You got company owners posting pictures of flying around in private jets. And then you've got single moms struggling just to make ends meet, trying to make a little bit of extra money and buying an overpriced product just so the owner can fly around in a private jet, just so their upline can make 50 bucks on them while they're making nothing. Guys, it's time for a change. This industry is broken, and we're going to fix it.
All right. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. It's Wednesday once again, and Ako po ang inyong presenter for tonight. Sabi nga nila, if you're doing something that blesses many people, do it again and again and again. Kaya eto po ako ngayon. I'm doing it again. Okay, before we proceed to any further, I would like to invite you to a short prayer. We always start any event, whether it's a webinar, virtual, or face-to-face, we always start it with a prayer. Kasi gusto talaga nating i-lift up lahat ng praises, thanksgiving, of course, to our Creator. Siya naman talaga yung true provider natin. Okay, so may I invite you to remember that we are in the holy presence of our God as we pray in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we would like to lift all praises to you and thanksgiving. Maraming salamat po sa gabing ito. Pinagsama-sama niyo na naman kami at alam namin na ngayon po ay meron kayong gustong message na i-impart sa amin. Help us, Lord. Guide us. Send us your Holy Spirit. Anoint us so that we may have an open heart, an open mind, ready to receive whatever it is that you want to impart to us. Heavenly Father, anoint me, bless me, and guide me so that I would be able to channel your message to the people you sent me tonight. Father, we'd like to thank you for all the opportunities you are giving to us, the Live Good community, all the corporate team, and all the leaders we have who are always there helping us, guiding us, and seeing to it that we're on our way to our success. Lord Jesus, send us the people you want us to bless. Send us the people you want to send your love to. May we be a good channel of your love, of your blessing to other people's. As our prayer goes, may we be the answer to other people's prayer. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen and amen. In the name of the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. All right. So once again, good evening everyone. And shout out muna tayo. Shout out to my team, Millionaire Makers. Hello there, everyone. And congratulations sa mga nag-rank up. Congratulations to our new affiliates and welcome to Live Good. I know very well na ito na po. Ito na yung pagkakataon na mabago yung buhay natin for the better. Alright? At saka talagang mas lalong guminhawa not only our lives, but our families, as well as all the people around us. Okay? So just keep up the good work. I'm always rooting for your success. Alright. Okay. Sige. Bati pa tayo. From Florida, Nesperos. Good evening po, Coach Fernan and Coach Mon. At sa lahat ng masipag na ka-Live Good, pa-shoutout po ang aking team, Live Good teammates sa Saudi, Qatar, France, Italy, Hong Kong, Australia, Bangladesh, India, Nigeria, Singapore, Singapore, and here, Philippines. From your platinum leader, in Alicia Isabel, Florida, Nesperos. Yes, good evening. All right, wala yata yung ating yung ating suki. Good evening, Coach Mon. Pa-shoutout po. Team ko po, WCP Warriors Champ Palawan. Hello from your coach Salvador. Hello po. So good evening. We're being aired not only here, but pa-shoutout na rin sa Facebook followers. Hello po. I hope you stay till the end of the presentation kasi talagang you're about to witness something different. You're about to witness something good, and I believe whatever it is that you're going to hear right now, it's going to change your life for the better. All right. Okay, may pabati pa ba? Wala na. Okay, good evening. Time check. 7:14 na rin pala. Pa-shoutout po, Team Wolves. Ahu. From Riz Silagan. Hello. I like that. Galing. All right. So yung mga may invites, and by the way, sino yung mga first timer dito, yung mga guests? Do we have guests in the house? Pa-type nga po, guest ako. All right, because this is actually for you. And for those na nakikinig sa Facebook, if you haven't encountered Live Good yet, well, this is it. Something that could actually change your life. June Alcaide saying, good evening po, Coach Mon. Hello, June. Hello, good evening to you too. All right. So time check, 7:15. I think it's right. The time is right for us to start. Yung mga may invites, remind them na start na tayo para makapasok na sila sa ating Zoom. Alright, wait a minute. Alright. Can everyone see my screen? Thank you sa lahat ng sumagot. Lolit is saying good evening. Good evening also, Lolit. LLG Dreamers International, live good morning po mga coach. Coach Mon, pa-shoutout po. Grupo ng LLG Dreamers International USA, Batangas, Laguna, Romblon, and Iloilo. Alright, hello po. June Alcaide, thank you po Coach Mon. Yes. Alright, clear. Good. Okay, so for those na hindi pa ako nakikilala, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mon Reyes. I'm one of the Live Good business coaches. And advocate ko po is good health. I'm an advocate of good health, abundant wealth, and good relationship. Kasi naniniwala ako na yung tatlong yan, that would lead us to the life that we really deserve. Okay, I'm a registered nurse by profession. So, health, di ba? I'm also a real estate broker, therefore wealth. And I'm a servant leader of the Light of Jesus community. Weekly, meron kaming gathering called The Feast. You may be familiar with that. Shout out sa mga feasters dyan. Hello po. Now, before Live Good, pinagdaanan ko na po halos lahat. Naging empleyado ako for 5 years. Alam nyo naman ang pagiging employee, di ba? Talagang 24/7, yun lang ang iniisip mo, yung trabaho mo. Kaya wala kang time sa family mo. Naging OFW din po ako for 4 years. Talagang nakakapangulila sa pamilya yan. Kaya rin 4 years lang yung tinagal ko kasi nakikita ko yung anak ko lumalaki na hindi ako kasama, hindi ko rin kasama yung mag-ina ko, my wife and my kid, hindi ko kasama for 4 years. Kaya mayaw na ako. I retired for being an OFW and become an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur for 24 years. 12 dyan as real estate broker. So, basically, when it comes to experience, na pagdaanan ko na po halos lahat. However, doing that, wala po dyan. Hindi ko dyan nakita yung pagpapatupad ng pangarap ko. And that's the reason why I look for another venue or another option or another vehicle na talagang kahit, not only will be covering all the expenses on my life, pati yung mga pangarap ko matutupad. And that's when I found Live Good. All right? So now, fast forward, I'm a full-time Live Good associate. I'm one of the business coaches and mentors nga. And I'm also one of the speakers here, the speaker bureau of DMW. Okay? Yan yung mga ko. That's my life. That's how I turned out to be in Live Good. But this presentation is not about me. In fact, this presentation is about you. Okay? Kasi baka nakaka-relate kayo dito. You may be a single mom or a single parent. Hindi na nga magkasya yung kita mo sa expenses mo. Problema mo ngayon, paano mo pag-aaralin yung anak mo? Right? If that's your struggle, then Live Good is for you. Or you may be an OFW like me before. Talagang nakakapangulila talaga sa family yung pagiging OFW. But people do that. People do that kasi doon nila nakikita na mas maganda kita naman talaga sa OFW. Yun nga lang, talagang ikaw nangungulila ka, yung pamilyang iniwan mo rito nangungulila din. Right? So malungkot. Kaya shout out ako sa lahat ng OFW nakikinig ngayon. Or, pwede naman pasimula ka pa lang sa career mo and when you received your first pay, dun mo na-realize, overwork ka pala, underpaid. And since bata ka pa, talagang you're thinking of having a significance in this world, naisip-isip mo ngayon, mapakain nga yung sarili, hindi kasya yung sweldo ko, significance pa. Right? So, if finances is your struggle, then Live Good is for you. Or pwede namang nasa golden years ka na, or retired ka na, or retiring age ka na, and you know very well na mawawala na yung sweldo mo, or mawawala na yung income mo. However, bills still continues. Yung expenses tuloy-tuloy lang. Namumroblema ka na ngayon. Paano ka na? kanino ka aasa? Sa government? Well, good luck, di ba? Kung sa family naman, remember, they have their own families to feed as well. And, wag naman sana, no? Pero, yung iba umaasa sa awa or charity. Pero sana wag naman umabot sa inyo. Well, if you can relate to any of these struggles, Live Good is for you. Why? Because Live Good is actually the solution for all our struggles. Okay? Kung kanina, yung mga nasa picture dun sa isang slide, talagang mga miserable, problemado, change your life for the better. Gawin yung ganito, parati kayong nakasmile, you're always with your family, you have no problem, you have no stress. Kasi tuloy-tuloy yung income sa'yo. Di ba? Because that's what Live Good is offering. Unlike any other source of income, Live Good is offering something different that everybody needs. Ano yon? Passive income for life. Okay, ano ba yung passive income na yan? Passive income is an income derived with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Imagine, halos wala ka nang ginagawa or completely wala ka nang ginagawa sa negosyo, yet tuloy-tuloy ang pasok ng income sa'yo. That's the promise of Live Good. Pag ginawa mo ng seryoso ang Live Good, talagang hindi lang just basta passive income. It's huge passive income na continuous. Kaya talagang for the rest of your life, you would be secured. Magiging stress-free ka. Okay? O baka sabihin mo naman, well, Coach Mon, lahat naman ng companies ino-offer yan. Sinasabi yan, pinapangako yan. Tutupad sa pangarap mo, passive income, financial freedom. So what makes Live Good different? Okay, let me show you. Unang-una, dito sa Live Good, bawal yung salitang mahal or expensive. Kasi dito, we don't have overpriced products. Maybe you don't know na sa ibang company, talagang traditional na ginagawa yan. Yan yung ginagawa nila. And it's okay. Kasi bakit? Doon nila kinukuha yung pambayad sa lahat ng expenses nila. Country manager, mga staff nila, everything. Nilalagay nila sa presyo ng product. Kaya yung products na minamanufacture nila for $10, they're selling it for $100, $120. Dito, hindi. Kasi sa Live Good, all our products are of quality but we're selling it for almost manufacturing price. Kasi nga ibang-iba na po si Live Good. Alright? And here we don't have huge cash out to join. Sa ibang company, hinuhuli to sa presentation kasi kailangan ma-hype ka muna, ma-excite ka muna, gustong-gusto mo na sumali. Tapos pagdating sa dulo, sabihin sa'yo, okay, to join you need 80,000, 100,000, or 18,000. Kahit 18,000, malaking halaga rin yun, ha? Pero dito, ngayon pa lang, simula pa lang tayo, sasabihin ko na, to join Live Good, all you need is $49.95. Magkano yan in peso? That's less than 3,000 pesos, 2,850, 2,900, mga ganon, depende sa exchange rate. Right? Ang maganda pa nito, yung $40 dyan, one time lang. Forever na yan. Hindi mo na babayaran ulit yan. So ano yung babayaran mo monthly? Since one time yon ang babayaran mo, $9.95 na lang. That's why there's no huge monthly auto ship requirement. Dito, ang monthly mo, subscription lang. $9.95. Magkano yan in peso? 580 pesos. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos a day. Definitely mako-cover mo na yung subscription mo. May sukli ka pang 20. Sino ang hindi kayang magtipid ng 20 pesos a day? So you see, Live Good is really for everybody. Okay? So since we're not product-centered, di ba, we don't really need to move products. Kaya yung mga rank up dito, hindi based sa volume. Hindi based dun sa volume ng products na pa-move mo or nabenta mo. Di ba? Actually, sa bilis or sa daling magpa-rank up dito, 36% ng mga bagong sale, they rank up on their first week. So kung meron tayo ditong guest na hindi pa affiliate member ngayon, pag nag-affiliate member ka, balikan niyo po yung pinaka-sponsor niyo, magpaturo kayo paano ko mag-rank up in the first week. At tuturuan niya po kayo. Okay? Again, since hindi tayo product-centered, there's no selling and no quota. Here, hindi natin i-require yung mga members natin to buy our products. Here, you buy the product when you want to, you buy what you want to, and if you want to. Yun lang po. Pero ang ganda ng produkto namin, talagang I recommend that you use our products. And buy it for your own health. Sabi ko nga, I'm an advocate of health, and I've seen these products, I've read about it, I've talagang pinag-aralan ko yan. Talagang maganda po para sa katawan natin yan. And here, no back to zero. Ano naman yan? Yan yung kinakatakutan ng ibang distributor sa ibang companies, lalo na pagpalit ng buwan. Kasi alam nila lahat ng pinagpaguran nila dun sa nakaraang buwan, mawawala lahat yan. At magba-back to zero sila starting from scratch again on the very first day of the following month. Alright? So yan si Live Good. That's what make Live Goods different. Kaya nga sinabi ko, Live Good is revolutionizing the industry. Pinapalitan na po ni Live Good lahat ng mga pangit sa industriya, tinanggal niya na. And Live Good is making sure na lahat po ng mga members would really be successful. Okay? And in fact, dito, you get paid for all your efforts. All right. So that's how I would put Live Good. But to better explain Live Good, I want you to watch this video. This is actually our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Siya po yung mag-i-explain sa inyo ano si Live Good, bakit nyo kailangan sumali sa Live Good, and what will Live Good do to your life. Okay, so let's listen to our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy, with inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, the most exciting company in the industry. Yan po ang tunay na description ng Live Good. In fact, it's so exciting, ang dami na po talagang nagtatrust sa Live Good. So that's how we differ from other companies kasi we've adopted a different business model and it was accepted by millions of people already. Okay? Live Good is actually the membership that pays. Yan po yung tatandaan natin. Kaya hindi tayo product-centered eh. We're more into a membership club. Whereby, as a club member, tayo yung may access ngayon dun sa mga high-quality products at very affordable prices. Okay, so to better explain that, siguro magandang simulan natin yung discussion kay Amazon. So bakit Amazon? I'll tell you, parallel kasi tayo dito kay Amazon. Amazon started their online shop way back in 1995, selling books lang. In 2000, they started with other products. Okay? Now, ngayon, pumunta ka ng Amazon, makikita mo talagang almost anything or everything under the sun available sa Amazon. Right? Now, Amazon is a membership club as well. Back in 2005, they started the membership club. After 2 years, they were able to have their first 1 million members. And then fast forward, ngayon po, they have over 200 million members in Amazon. Now, Live Good. Si Live Good nag-start noong December 2022. Instead of books, alam ni Live Good, mas kailangan ng tao ngayon health products. So we started with physician-grade nutritional products kasi yun yung kailangan ng tao. Pero ang maganda nito, nung nag-start si Live Good, talagang affordable prices because we want to give the products to everybody. Alright? And then, soon, like Amazon, magdadagdag lang tayo ng magdadagdag ng mga products. In fact, we started with only 15 products. As we speak, meron na tayong over 20 products ngayon. So last year pa lang, nagdagdag na tayo ng more than 5. Now, because of this concept, because of this model, ang dami nga pong nagtiwala sa Live Good. In fact, over 1,050,000 paid members worldwide na ang Live Good today. Imagine, in just 1 year of operation, nag-start tayo December 2022. Ano pa lang ngayon? February 2024. 14 months of operation, umabot na tayo ng 1,050,000 paid members. And it's continuously growing. In fact, ang bilis po ng growth niyan ngayon. Alright? So, just to tell you more about Membership Club, kasi baka nalilito kayo, ano-ano ba yung mga Membership Club out there? Okay, kung mahilig kayo sa music or sa shows, andyan si YouTube Pro. Si YouTube Pro po, if you're a member of YouTube Pro, magbabayad kayo ng $11.99 dyan or $119.99 per year. And guess what? Ang dami talagang gustong manood ng walang ads kasi yung value na ino-offer nila sa kanilang member. That's why YouTube Pro has over 30 million members. Ano pa? Amazon Prime, yung nabanggit ko kanina, $14.99 per month or $139 per year. They have over 161 million members already. Okay? Netflix, kung mahilig ka sa movies, unlimited watching of movies and shows, $9.99 for $15.49 or $19.99, depende dun sa napili mong package. Ito maganda. Yan ganyang kaliliit ng subscription, over 200, in fact 232 million members are paying that kind of subscription. Sam's Club is parang discount store yan, whereby the members can actually enjoy products at wholesale price. $100 per year yung kanilang membership. They have over 47 million members. Si Costco, siguro yun na yung pinakamalapit sa Live Good. However, Costco is a physical store sa US or saka sa mga Western countries, dun sila sikat eh. Unfortunately, wala dito sa Philippines. Si Costco naman, ang charge nila for membership is $120 per year. They have 123 million members. Okay? Disney Prime, parang Netflix yan, mga movies naman, pero sa mga Disney movies yung naano nila. $10.99 or $109.99 per year. 42 million members. Ito po ang tanong ko. Proven and tested na ang subscription. Proven and tested na ba ang subscription tsaka ang membership club model? Yes po. Otherwise, itong dami ng tao na to hindi magtitiwala sa industriya. Alright? Ngayon, gaano kalaki yung industry na yan? Let me show you yung income naman ng ibang companies. Pinakamaganda siguro sa subscription na example si Zoom. Si Zoom po, pumutok to nung pandemic kasi everything went online. Diba? Schools, office meetings, lahat naging online na. Pati mga business presentations online na. Pero hindi rin po, binabayaran din po natin to. We believe it's about $10 for 100 participants. And since 1,000 participants yung kaya nito, mas mataas binabayad natin. But I want you to take particular attention dun sa kinita ni Zoom as a company. $4.46 billion annual revenue. O, di ba? Ang laki, di ba? Isang taon pa lang po yun. Isang taong kita pa lang yan. What about Netflix? Netflix with 238 million subscribers, kumita po ng $31.6 billion annual revenue. Si Costco, 123 million members. From the membership fee alone, kumita si Costco ng $4.2 billion annual revenue. The reason I'm telling you this is I just want you to know that proven and tested na po ang subscription industry pati ang members club industry. And guess what? Live Good is a membership club and Live Good members are paying their subscription. Andyan po tayo sa industriya na yan. Yung nakita yung 200 million members, most likely, mas marami kay Live Good in the future. Yung nakita nyong billions of dollars in revenue, most likely, mas malaki ang magiging revenue ni Live Good sa future. Bakit? Because Live Good is the only membership that pays. Alright? Diba? That's something that you have to be excited of. That's something that you have to be proud of. Okay? So, Live Good. Live Good was launched December 13, 2022. Yes, batang-bata pa po tayo. And our business model, exclusive buyers membership business model. Okay? Tapos yung pinaka head office natin nasa Jupiter, Florida. So if you want to search about Live Good, you search sa state of Florida. And I did the search for you at nakita ko tong mga documents na to. This proves that Live Good is a registered business in Florida and is really very current in terms of their registration. Ayan po. Diyan din po sa State of Florida website, makikita mo yung mga different papers like the Articles of Incorporation, the purpose of the business, kung sino yung mga, yung like the president is there, and diyan yung pangalan ni Ben Glinsky. So you see, Live Good is a legitimate company based in Florida pero operating online. That's why it has reached all over the world. Alright? Now I want you to meet the people behind Live Good. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky, siya yung narinig nyo kanina doon sa video. He is very on hand. Okay? Tsaka he has over 20 years of experience. Ang maganda niyan, nagsimula siya as distributor sa network marketing company rin. At umangat siya ng umangat hanggang sa ni-reach niya yung highest until he became one of the owners. Nagkaroon siya ng maraming mga companies na talagang pinatakbo niya, pinasuccessful niya, and he paid over $1 billion of commission to the industry. Talagang ang dami niya ring successful na pinagagawa. Ang maganda niyan, talagang very much on hand siya. At kung mapapakinggan mo siya sa mga webinars niya, maririnig mo na yung puso niya talagang nasa members. Gusto niyang mag-succeed tayong mga magiging affiliate members ng Live Good. Okay, we have Ryan Goodkin naman. Siya yung ating product formulator. Ang maganda kay Ryan, si Doc Ryan, apart from being a doctor of pharmacy, sinabi niya, I create products or I formulate products not to sell, but for me to use and for my family to use, which is a benefit for you and me. Kasi the moment we use Live Good products, sigurado tayo of high quality na very safe pa. Kasi walang taong magbibigay sa pamilya niya ng ikaka-harm nitong mga to. Right? Lisa Goodkin naman is our Director of Product Education. Holistic naman yung approach niya sa pagtuturo about health. Kasi ang habol niya talaga, ang passion niya, is for everybody to become healthy. So not only will she teach us about our product, she will also teach us about good habits, good health habits like exercises, sleeping habits, and whatnot. All right? Yan yung team. And Noder Kazan is our Director of Network Marketing. He is a legend in the industry. Imagine, 1998 pa lang po, nagte-train na ng mga leaders yan sa industriya. Ganyan ka-vast yung kanyang experience. So he has seen it all. He has seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting. And when they started Live Good, tinanggal niya na yung bad, ugly, and disgusting. Tapos yung good, lalo pa nilang in-enhance. And that's the reason why over 1,050,000 paid members are already trusting and believing in Live Good. Okay, altogether, they have over 50 years of combined experiences. Our corporate team have led us to the record-breaking growth and success in the industry in less than a year. Yes po, wala pong company na nagawa ng Live Good. 1 million members in 1 year. And all thanks to these guys and the leaders who are already in our company. So true leadership really creates true success. Now, the Live Good mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Kasi yung nakita niyang problema Yung mga tao gusto maging healthy, however, ang mamahal ng mga health products. That's why they come up with Live Good. They come up with a subscription model whereby for a subscription of $9.95, people will be able to get precision grade quality health products at the most affordable prices. And that's what I call change. And it's time to make a change. All right? Now, we started with 15 life-changing products. Now, we have over 20 life-changing products. And I'm going to tell you now, talagang ni-research ko po ito, pinag-aralan ko, tinignan ko sa website, and they're really of quality. Purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet. ingredients pa lang po, filter na. Kailangan talagang of highest quality. All made in USA, certified by GMP and USDA. If you want to search on that, please do so. Makikita nyo sa si GMP, very high yung standard to certify yung mga manufacturing facilities. And USDA, once na tinatak nila yung kanilang seal sa product mo, that means you're 100% organic. Okay? Lab tested for purity and potency. Kaya talagang mabisa yan. In fact, we offer a certificate of analysis for transparency just to show kung sino man yung gagamit ng Live Good, makikita mo kung ano talaga yung pumapasok sa katawan mo. And sa ganda ng quality ng ating mga produkto, sa sobrang effective ng ating mga produkto, if not the only one, we're one of the few who offers 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. And I'm telling you, wala pong nagsosole, wala pong nagre-refund kasi talagang effective, life-changing talaga yung mga products natin. And best of all is napakababa ng presyo. Mamaya makikita niyo yung price comparison with other brands because here at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Kasi po yan yung gusto natin talagang baguhin sa industriya natin. Sa industriya kasi natin, talagang it's a common thing na talagang itaas o i-gouge yung mga prices ng products. Kasi nga, sinasabi ko na kanina, diyan kasi kinukuha yung pambayad dun sa warehouses, sa country managers, sa staff, even dun sa mga top earners ng companies nila. Imagine, 3 million a month. Saan nila kinukuha yung pambigay dun sa 3 million na yan? From the price of their products. And we call that price gouging. And we want to put an end to that. And we are. We are actually putting an end to that. See this illustration. Tayo si David, kasi maliit pa lang tayo. We're still young, we're still small considerably. However, our presence is being felt in the industry by the giants. Yung mga price gouging MLMs. Kasi nakita nila Live Good is offering their products, similar products at very low costs. Ngayon yung mga suki nila naglilipatan ng Live Good. Yung mga distributors nila na hirap magbenta ng kanilang mga produktong pagkamahal-mahal, naglilipatan ng Live Good. Kaya nga nasabi ni Noder Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Yes, they're all over. And Live Good is actually breaking all records in the industry. Tayo yung pinakamabilis na magpalaki. Tayo yung the only company that's offering products at almost manufacturing price. And people are embracing that change. Now, if you're not an affiliate member yet, I'm telling you, you have to embrace Live Good. Kasi Live Good is really an experience that is different. So are you ready to experience the difference? Yan po yung lahat ng products natin available. Meron pa tayong mga shirts and sandals. But mainly yung ating mga health products which are all really good for our body. Okay, as promised, I'll show you some price comparison with other brands. Pinakamaganda niyan siguro yung essential oil natin. Yung essential oil natin are composed of 6 different essential oils na napakagaganda talaga. Naging sikat po to because of pandemic. Talagang lahat ng tao, they're buying essential oils. Pero dati, mahal nilang binibili yan. Imagine sa Young Living, $252. Sa doTERRA, $209. Pareho namang 6 bottles, parehong contents, pareho ng laki. Yet sa atin, we're giving it for members at $49.95. Okay? Si Super Greens naman, kailangan po ng lahat ng tao to kasi this is for our nutrition. Okay? Kalaban natin dyan si Athletic, not really kalaban, pero pinakamalapit na competitors brand would be Athletic Greens and Organifi. Athletic Greens is $99.95. Si Organifi is $69.99. Tayo, $18 for members. So you see, talagang iniiba na natin yung industriya. Ito, collagen peptides is very good as well. Kasi yung ibang collagen, ang laman lang collagen. However, our genius product formulator, yung collagen peptides natin, dinagdagan pa ng 3 ingredients that really complements the effect of the collagen. So eto, mas maganda na yung collagen natin, but look at the prices. $79.96, $69.95 yung iba. Sa atin, $27.95 for members. Okay, if you're more into workout, maganda tong creatine plus HMB. Okay? Sa iba, ang presyo niyan, $48.99, $65. Pero sa atin, $19.95. Now, this is the value that you will receive when you become a member of Live Good. You would be enjoying high-quality products, physician-grade health products at the most affordable prices. Okay? Ngayon, for those na hindi members, pwede pa rin po silang makakuha ng products natin kasi meron tayong tinatawag na retail prices. In fact, if they buy at retail price, mababa pa rin nilang makukuha yung products natin compared to other brands. Okay, ito example, our Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for men and women. Kasi nga magkaiba naman yung physiological needs ng men and women, right? So just think about it. It has over 24 minerals, nutrients and minerals in the same in one capsule. Talagang it's complete to nourish us. Okay? Pag retail price, hindi ka member, you can buy it at $14.95. Pero pag member ka, $9.95 lang. So you see, may added value pa yung pagiging member. Mababa na nga yung retail price, pinababa pa just because you became a member. Okay? If you're more conscious on your weight naman, ito yung para sa'yo, Health Organic Weight Management Coffee with Mushrooms. Magkano siya? $24.95 for non-members. Pero pag member ka, $17.95. So you see now, kasi sinasabi nila yung subscription, binabayad-bayad mo lang yan, wala naman ako nakukuha. But the moment you use the product, ang laki po ng value na natatanggap nyo. Yung $9.95 nyo, discount na lang yun eh. Parang yung matipid mo lang dun sa ibang products, pang-cover na nung $9.95 mo eh. Diba? Tsaka think about it, it's only 20 pesos a day. Pero yung value na matatanggap mo, grabe, ang laki. Ultra Magnesium Complex, napaka-importante. Okay, trivia again. Over 300 chemical reaction in our body is caused by ultra magnesium. So if there's something wrong in your body, most likely you are deficient in magnesium. Alright? Retail price, $14.95. Pero members price natin, $8.95 for 60 capsules na po yan. At chinek ko yung laman, it's 420 milligrams, enough supplement for a day for an adult. Alright? Ganun po. So yung 60 capsules na yan, that's good for 2 months already. $8.95. So parang per month, nasa $4 plus lang. Alright? Meron tayong CBD oil for pets. $19.95, members price $14. Unfortunately, hindi pa available dito sa Philippines. Hopefully soon magkaroon din tayo. D3K2 is very important kasi nalaman nila na yung COVID, pinakamagandang panglaban is the vitamin D. Kaya napansin nyo, yung mga affected ng COVID, pinapaarawan nila. Di ba? So yan, vitamin D3 and K2. Si K2 naman, maganda yan sa blood flow. Kasi ang ginagawa niyan, tinatanggal yung calcium sa bloodstreams natin, nilalagay sa bones. So pinapaganda na yung blood flow natin, pinapatibay pa yung bones natin. Retail price, $13.95. Members price, $8.50. Di ba? Ito pa, 6 products. International Wellness Pack, 6 products, $129.95. $89.95. Nakita nyo yung kanina, yung greens, $99.95. Isang produkta lang yon. Ito 6 products, $89.95. Ano pipiliin mo? 1 product na $99.95 o 6 products na $89.95? Ang maganda pa nito, free shipping yan. Kaya kung magkano yung price dyan, kung magkano yung members price, yun lang po yung babayaran nyo. And that's what we call International Wellness Pack. Tsaka ang maganda nito, lahat yan essentials. Kailangan ng katawan natin daily. So this alone can actually nourish your whole body. Itong International Wellness Pack pa lang. So ano makukuha mo as member? As Live Good member, you save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Gusto mo magpaka-healthy? This is the time. This is the time for you to become healthy. Or if you're using health products naman, mag-change ka lang ng brand. Tapos makaka-save ka. Ano gagawin mo dun sa savings mo? Pambayad mo ng bills. Pandagdag mo sa matrikula ni Utoy. Di ba? Ang dami. Because a dollar saved is a dollar earned. So para ka na rin kumita. So as promised, di ba? Sabi ko magdadagdag ng produkto si Live Good. In 2023, ito yung mga products na nilaunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products launched in just 1 year. And mind you, talagang ni-research, may research and development na ginawa dyan. Hindi yan basta kinanaw lang. Right? They're all of good quality. They're all physician grade. Hindi lang yan. Meron pa, essential oils. 6 different scents essential oils. Look at the price. Talagang napakababa. So yan yung members natin. Yan yung members, the value that we will get being a member of Live Good. And if you want to know more about our product, you just have to visit livegood.com. Tapos may button doon, if I'm not mistaken, products. Ngayon, every products may learn more. Pag kinlik mo yon, talagang papakita ano yung laman ng products, even how to take it. Alright? So now, given that value of Live Good, definitely you want to become a member. So the question is how to become a Live Good member. I'm sure na may nag-invite sa inyo dito. Somebody gave you this Zoom link. Kaya andito kayo ngayon listening to me. You go back to them kasi meron silang tinatawag na sponsors link. You get their sponsors link, doon kayo mag-register, doon lang kayo magbayad. Magkano babayaran nyo? $9.95 lang. That covers your 1 month. Kung gusto mo makatipid, you pay for 1 year, $99.95. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. And once you become a member, you get to buy the products at wholesale prices or members price. Alright? So, Mon, paano naman matutupad yung pangarap ko dyan? Discount lang yan. Paano naman yung passive income na sinasabi mo? That's another program. Now, the question now is, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Huwag mo kakalimutan yung or more tsaka yung per month kasi posible po yan at nangyayari na po yan as we speak. In fact, in a period of 1 year, more than $2,000 na po yung natatanggap ng mga members dito sa Live Good. Now, for those interested, eto na po. Excite yourself kasi you're about to witness the most exciting compensation plan in the industry today. So how do you do that? How do you earn $2,000? Sige, bibitinin ko muna kayo. I need to drink water. All right, going back. So how do you earn? You have to become part of our affiliate program. Ano ba yung affiliate program na yan? Let me give you a short description. Ganito po kasi, si Live Good, as a direct selling, hindi siya nag-a-advertise sa newspaper, sa TV, sa magazine, not on billboards, not even on the internet. Therefore, hindi siya nag-i-spend ng money to advertise. Pero kailangan siya malaman ng maraming tao. Ang means to advertise Live Good will be through word of mouth. Kaninong mouth? Dun sa mga affiliate members. Alright? So that's how the affiliate program works. And as Live Good affiliates, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, I call it the most generous compensation plan in the industry today. So again, to wrap up, to sum up, affiliate marketing, first you join, you become an affiliate member. And then you promote. Ano ba yung promote na yan? Kailangan ba formal promotion yan? May hawak ang produkto, talagang dinidiscuss mo isa-isa? No. When you say promotion dito po sa Live Good, kwento lang. Kikwento mo lang yung experience mo sa product. Kikwento mo yung experience mo sa company. Kikwento mo kung gaano kakasaya sa Live Good. And with that, may entice mo yung ibang tao, people will join you. Diba? Will become affiliate member just like you. And that's when you start to earn. Ang maganda nito, you'll not be paid only from your own effort, pero pati dun sa effort ng mga taong nadala mo rito, makakapag-leverage ka pa. O, di ba? Excited ka ba? So, how to become a Live Good affiliate? Balik po kayo ulit dun sa nag-invite sa inyo. Get their sponsors link. You register there, pero this time you pay for a one-time fee of $40 plus the subscription of $9.95, a total of $49.95. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina sa simula. Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. 2,850, 2,900 depending on the exchange rate. Okay? Yan lang po. At one-time fee lang po yung $40 na yan. Hindi na po mauulit yan ever again. Lifetime na kayong affiliate member. And then, since one time si $40, the following month, ang babayaran nyo na lang will be the subscription of $9.95. Monthly po yon. Magkano lang po yun? 20 pesos lang po a day yun. Huwag nyo na pong intindihin yun. Kasi madali pong tipirin yung 20 pesos a day. I'm telling you, for the benefit, for the value that you would be receiving, and later on, for the income, potential income, future income na matatanggap nyo, you would be more than willing to pay for this subscription. In fact, kayo na mismo magbabayad ng subscription nyo ahead of time. Alright? So ano makukuha nyo for the $49.95? Number one, you'll have access to the membership club, meaning you'll have access to the physician-grade products at the most affordable prices. And then number two, digital marketing products. Alam kasi ni LiveGood as an affiliate member, you'll be promoting LiveGood. So they will equip you with digital products. And you get to participate in the compensation plan. And every time you get paid via direct deposit, iPayout, or BitPay. Pwede pong i-discuss yan. As soon as you become a member, i-discuss po lahat yan sa inyo. Okay? Now, I want to show you the digital products that you will be receiving. These are the things that can help you in doing your business. Meron tayo yung livegood.com/your username, kung ano yung username nyo. That's going to be a personalized website for you. Diyan nyo po mamamonitor yung galaw ng negosyo nyo. Kung sabi ko, di ba, magre-refer kayo ng tao dito. Lahat ng taong marirefer mo, makikita mo dyan. Yung taong na-refer mo, makikita mo dyan. Yung taong na-refer mo, makikita mo dyan. Bakit importante yon? Kasi po, kikita tayo not only on our own effort, but from the effort, or we can leverage from the effort of those people na sinama natin dito as partners. Alright, dyan din po natin makikita yung ating earnings. But don't worry, this is username and password protected. Make sure lang na hindi nyo makakalimutan yung password nyo. And then we have a Powerline landing page, the livegoodtour.com/your username. Personalized din po yan. Andyan po yung pangalan nyo. Yan yung sinasabi ko kaninang sponsors link. Diyan magre-register yung mga taong gusto mong maging affiliate members din. Makasama mo rito as business partner. Once na nag-register sila dyan, then they would belong to your team. Right? Meron din tayong shop. Di ba nabanggit ko kanina na pwede yung products natin for those who are non-members. Ito naman yung ipapadala mo dun sa mga non-members na gusto lang yung products natin. shoplivegood.com/your username. Personalized din po yan. Whenever they order from there, they'll be able to order at retail price. Ang maganda niyan, lahat ng order dyan sa shop link mo, meron ka pang commission. Alright? And then nagdagdag na sila ng additional website, product pages. Meron tayo one for super reds, one for super greens. Dati kasi wala yan eh. Dinagdag nila yan, pero hindi na pinadagdagan yung $40 na one-time fee. Alright, sabi ko nga, one-time fee yan, forever ka na. Kahit ano pa yung idagdag nila dito, talagang hindi na nila dadagdagan yun. Alright, so maybe you're questioning now how to make money in subscription. Kasi nga, subscription, $9.95. May kitaan ba talaga dyan? Kasi yun yung sinasabi ng iba, pag maliit pera, maliit kita. But I'm telling you, dito, mamamangha ka kasi ang liit ng pera, pero ang laki ng kitaan. Okay, kitang-kita ko na po. Ang dami na pong nakakita at ang dami nang kumikita ngayon. Alright? So let's now talk about our compensation plan. Our compensation plan will be structured by two powerful structure, the unilevel structure and the force matrix. Umpisahan natin si unilevel. Paano ba yan si unilevel? Di ba sabi ko, once you become an affiliate, you start promoting Live Good and then you would be referring people to the program. So lahat ng marirefer mo directly will be your level 1. Ngayon, yung marirefer nung na-refer mo, you will be your level 2. Yung marirefer nung na-refer mo will be your level 3. And so on and so forth until you reach level 10. Bakit level 10? Because you get to be paid up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Imagine, hindi mo nakilala, malamang nga yung level 3 hindi mo nakilala eh. 'Di ba? Kasi yung mga nag-asikaso doon, yung mga nasa level 2 muna and level 1. Yet kumikita ka pa. Yan yung sinasabi ko kaninang passive income. Right? And infinite wide to ha, meaning kung ilan yung gusto mong dalhin dito, magsawa ka, pwede. Pwede kang mag-refer ng 10, 100, 1,000 people. It depends on you. Alright? And then another structure, tandaan nyo po yan ha, that's the unilevel structure. Another structure will be the force matrix structure. How does that work? Kasi when you become an affiliate member, we would all belong to a big matrix. Okay? Before I continue, let me just say na sa matrix, 2 tao lang po ang ikakabit sa bawat tao. So let's say for example, in this matrix, ikaw yung nasa top. 2 lang ang ikakabit sa iyo. Sino magkakabit niyan? The system. Okay? So hindi mo pwedeng ipangako kay Juan, ikaw dito ka sa left. Tapos kay Pedro, ikaw dito ka sa right. No. Si system po ang maglalagay at mag-a-assign. It's system assigned matrix. So 2 lang yung pwede sa'yo. Eh sabi mo, Mon, pwede unlimited. Paano kung 6 yun na refer ko dito? Ano mangyayari dun sa 4? Ganito po yan. Since 2 lang yung pwedeng ikabit sa'yo, yung 4 pa, ikakabit dun sa mga nasa ilalim mo. Alright? Kakabitan din sila ng tagalawa. Ang tawag doon, spillover. And since we belong to a big matrix, meaning may mga tao pa sa taas natin, there is a possibility, there is a surety actually, na magkakatanggap din tayo ng spillover in time. Alright? Ngayon, so sa matrix mo, pwedeng magkaroon ng tao dyan na galing sa'yo, na spillover sa'yo ng mga taong nasa taas mo, or yung mga na-refer naman ng mga taong nasa loob ng matrix mo. Either way, mapupuno at mapupuno yung matrix na yan. Okay? So, sinabi ko kanina, level 1 mo would be 2. And then, since dadagdagan ng tagalawa yung 2 yan, magiging 4. That's your level 2. And then, 8, 16, 32, 64. Parang power of 2 lang po yan. All the way up to level 15. Bakit? Because we get to be paid up to level 15 depending on our rank. Alright, so why are these structures very important? Kasi po, dyan i-compute yung ating compensation. And here in Live Good, we have 8 ways to earn. Okay, meron tayong weekly fast start retail commission. Ang gagamitin po dyan would be the unilevel structure. We also have the matrix commission. Ang gagamitin naman dyan would be the forced matrix structure. If you notice, meron nasa gitna yung matching bonus kasi yan parang hybrid. Kino-combine yung unilevel tsaka yung force matrix to be able to compute for that. And later, pag dinidiscuss ko na yung matching bonus na yan, makinig po kayo maigi kasi yung matching bonus ang makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap nyo. Yan yung talagang wealthy income kung tawagin. We also have influencer bonus, customer acquisition bonus, which is relatively new. Dito po kung may mababago dun sa compensation plan, padagdag ng padagdag. Ito po bago lang to, customer acquisition bonus. Before 7 ways to earn lang eh. We also have diamond bonus pool and diamond crown bonus pool. So let's discuss that one by one. Number 1 is our quick money. Quick money. Quick money. Who wants quick money? Alright. So, ang tawag natin dyan is fast start bonus. Bakit siya quick money? Kasi ang release nito, weekly. Tsaka napakadali pong i-earn nito. Dito, wala kang requirement. All you need to be, the only requirement is you are an affiliate member and you are referring people. Okay? Wala na yung monthly auto ship, wala na yung product purchase requirement, wala po. Basta member ka at nagre-refer ka at meron kang successful referral, kikita ka rito. So remember, paano ka naging member? Nagbayad ka ng $49.95. Ito maganda. When you refer people and you successfully refer people dito, bibigyan ka ng $25 for every successful referral you make. So just imagine, $49.95 yung lumabas sa'yo. Magpasok ka ng 2 tao. $25 plus $25, $50 yung ibabayad sa'yo ni LiveGood. Kailan mo matatanggap? The following week. Kaya quick money po siya. So in this example, 4 yun pumasok sa kanya, 25 times 4. That's $100 already. And you'll receive that the following week. So every time na may nire-refer ka rito, may pumapasok sa yung $25. Alright? But wait, there's more. Kasi, sabi ko nga, hindi ka lang babayaran ni LiveGood on your own effort, but you will be paid or you can leverage on the effort of the people you brought in the business. Kasi as you rank up, you become bronze. Mon, baka mahirap naman maging bronze. Sinabi ko po kanina, kumuha ka ng 2 tao, babalik sa iyo yung $49.95 mo, at magiging bronze ka na. Kasi yun lang po yung requirement to become bronze. 2 successfully referred people, 2 active members in your team. So if you have 2 members in your team, bronze ka na. Ang kagandahan ng bronze, makaka-leverage ka na dun sa mga sa trabaho nung mga napasok mo rito. Up to level 2, you get to enjoy up to level 2. Meron kang $5 pa sa mga ipapasok nila. Pag nag-silver ka, so huwag ka magpalimit sa 2. Mag-refer ka pa ng maraming tao. And then meet the qualification. Rank up to silver. When you get promoted to silver, you get to enjoy up to levels 3 and 4. When you get promoted to gold, up to levels 5 and 6 yan. When you get promoted to platinum, you get to enjoy up to levels 7 and 8. And when you become a diamond, you get to enjoy up to levels 9 and 10. Hindi nyo na po kilala, wala na kayong ginawa for 1 week, yet income is continuously coming into you. Bakit? Kasi ang lalim na po ng pinanggagalingan ng income nyo. Right? So leverage ang tawag dyan. Yan po yung pinakasikreto ng mga mayayaman. They're leveraging their time, they're leveraging their effort, and now here in LiveGood, we can leverage from the people we bring in the business. Kaya po dito talagang people helping people business. Kasi magpasok ka dito, tulungan mo sila maging successful. Kasi bakit? Kasi pag naging successful sila, magiging successful ka rin. Alright? So that's our quick money. Next is our retirement money. Kaya tinawag na retirement money yan kasi talagang hihintayin yan. Medyo matagal yan. Imagine, ito, the way we compute this, matrix commission from the name itself, kukunin yan dun sa ating matrix structure. Okay, paano yan? Every person na mapupunta sa matrix mo, babayaran ka ng 25 cents every time they pay their $9.95 subscription. Alright, sabi ko kanina, 2 lang yung pwedeng makabit sa'yo, either coming sa taas mo, na spillover sa'yo, or your own effort, mga direct referrals mo, or mga referrals ng mga taong nasa loob na ng matrix mo. They will all form part of your matrix. And wherever it came from, babayaran ka ng 25 cents every time they pay their $9.95. So dito, talagang as matrix commission, since retirement money nga siya, all you need to do is pay your subscription so that you would always be a member. And then you wait. You wait for people to fill in your matrix and then you start earning. Dito po, pag may pumasok na 1 tao sa matrix mo, babayaran ka na 25 cents. Pag 2, 50 cents. Pag 4, $1. Just imagine, kung 40 people na yung nasa matrix mo, babayaran ka na ng $10. And magkano yung subscription natin? $9.95. So at that point, self-paying na po yung inyong subscription. Kasi kinukuha nyo na yung pambayad sa subscription nyo from the income you're getting from this matrix commission. But I'm telling you, pwede pong gawin to. Yun nga lang, talagang since retirement money siya, maghihintay ka. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagsusubscribe mo. In fact, here you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. I don't really recommend that, pero ito po, let's say in case lang na talagang you tried inviting people, but unfortunately dumating yung nagtagal ka na hindi ka talaga maka-invite. Don't worry kasi magkakaroon ka pa rin ng income through the Matrix Commission. Ang tawag po dyan, pampalubag loob. Okay? So don't really focus on this. Don't really focus on just waiting for your matrix income. But it's going to happen. Kasi if you're unranked, meaning hindi ka nakapag-invite ng kahit isang tao or naka-invite ka man, isa lang, you'll still be paid up to 12 levels deep. Okay? Di ba sabi ko, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. If you compute or if you add up lahat ng tao na nasa matrix mo, pag napuno na yan 12 levels deep na yan, that's a total of 8,190 people times 25 cents. Doon po nanggagaling yung $2,047.50. Okay? So if I'm not inviting or hindi ako nakapag-successfully refer, saan nanggagaling yan tao? Yan po yung nai-spill over sa inyo dun sa mga taong nagtatrabaho na nasa taas mo. And if ever may na-spill over sa iyo na talagang ginawa rin yung business, yun din, dagdag din yun sa matrix mo kasi nasa loob na siya ng matrix mo. Alright? Pero again, uulit-ulitin ko po, patience is the key. Kasi this will not happen overnight. Hindi po siya basta-basta mapupuno agad. Okay? Yung iba, talagang months na yung hinihintay, wala pa na-spill over sa kanila. Meron din namang iba na nakakaswerte. In a matter of months, marami ng spillover na napunta sa kanila. Pero huwag kayo umasa sa swerte. Okay? What you do, you refer people to the program para bukod sa nakaka-enjoy na kayo ng added commission, nagra-rank up pa kayo. Kasi when you become bronze and silver, you get to enjoy up to level 13 of the Matrix Commission. Yung 2,047.50 mo, biglang aangat ng 4,095.50. Pag naging gold or platinum ka up to level 14, that's 8,191.50. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to level 15. Pag napuno yung level 15 matrix mo, that's $16,383.50. That's 900,000 pesos po, month after month after month after month. And we're just talking of the Matrix Commission alone. Alright? So kung hihintayin ko pala yan, matatagalan. Yes po. So we suggest that you do your part to fill your matrix. And the simplest way is this. You get to, you help to, and then you repeat. Ano ibig sabihin yan? On your first week, kumuha ka dalawa agad. Tapos yung dalawang nakuha mo, turuan mong kumuha rin ng dalawa. Ba't sila kukuha ng dalawa? Kasi pag nakakuha sila ng dalawa, balik yung 49.95 nila, magiging bronze pa sila. Diba? Imagine that. Yun din yung reason mo. And then, once na moving na yung dalawang nakuha mo, you repeat. Kuha ka uling dalawa. Turuan mo uling kumuha ng dalawa. Diba? Ganyan po mapapabilis. So let's say for example, kumuha ka ng dalawa, naturuan mong kumuha ng dalawa, tapos sila, tinuruan din nilang kumuha ng dalawa yung nakuha nila. This is what will happen to your matrix. Una ikaw, and then nakakuha kang dalawa, and then 4, and then 8, kasi yung 8 kumuha ng Tagalawa, nadagdagan ng 16, 32, 64, 128. On the 12th week pa lang, kung weekly mangyayari to sa team mo, umaabot na ng 8,190 yung matrix mo. Meaning, on the 12th week pa lang, puno na yung matrix mo, you get to receive the 2,047.50. And since kumuha ka ng dalawa, bronze ka na, you get to enjoy up to level 13. On the 13th week, puno na yung 13th level ng matrix mo. So you're earning already 4,095.50. Alright? And you just, if you do what I said, kuha ka dalawa, help to, repeat, help to, repeat, hindi po tatagal, magda-diamond ka. And when you become diamond, you get to enjoy up to level 15. Kung weekly mangyayari to sa team mo, on the 15th week, puno na yung matrix mo. 900,000 pesos monthly na po ang kinikita nyo sa matrix. Alright? Now, if you're overwhelmed by this income, wait till you see the next. Yung tinatawag kong wealthy money. Makinig na po kayo maigi. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyong pakinggan nyo maigi kasi ito yung tutupad sa mga pangarap nyo. Matching bonus, the combination of the unilevel and the matrix structure. Paano po yan? Remember, nung naging affiliate member ka rito, nagkaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix, therefore nagkaroon ka ng matrix income. So lahat ng mapapasok mo dito would have their own matrix and would have their own matrix income. The good thing is, the matching bonus is kung magkano yung matrix income nila, ima-match ni LiveGood 50% and bibigyan ka as matching bonus. Yun ang ibibigay sa'yo as matching bonus. Bakit? Kasi ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit napunta sila sa LiveGood. Alright, leveraging. Again, I'm calling it leveraging. Alright? So let's say for example, eto, may 4 ka napasok, si A, B, C, tsaka si D. Si A, meron ng $1,000 na kinikita sa kanyang matrix, may 500 ka. Si B, 500 na yung kinikita, may 250 ka. Si C, $50 lang, medyo tamad. Meron ka pa rin, $100 lang yung matrix income niya, meron ka pa rin 50. Si D, 200 yung kinikita, meron ka pa rin 100. Alright? Ganyang kaganda yan kasi unlimited yung pwede mong ma-invite dito. So just imagine kung meron kang halimbawa 10 na lang. 10 tao, direct referral mo dito. 10 whereby you're matching 50% of their matrix income. Each of them earning na lang, for example, $200 in their matrix. 50% is 100. 10 sila. That's $1,000 matching bonus for you. Tinrabaho mo ba yon? Hindi. Ang trabaho mo lang doon, kinuha mo sila. And they had their own matrix income. Alright? Ang maganda pa niyan, that's why, by the way, yung matching bonus would only be received by those referring people to the program. Alright? So if you're not referring people to the program, wag na po kayong umasa magkaroon ng matching bonus. Pero ang matching bonus po, ito po yung makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap nyo. So kung hindi rin kayo nagre-refer ng tao, wag na po kayong umasa na tutuparin ni LiveGood yung mga pangarap nyo. Alright? Meron pa po, but wait, there's more. Apart from the 50% you will get from the matching bonus from your direct referral, when you rank up to silver, you get to enjoy up to 2nd generation. May 10% ka pa sa 1st generation and 10% sa 2nd. Pag nag-rank up ka to gold, up to 3rd generation yung matatanggap mo, may 5% additional pa yan. Si Platinum, up to 4th generation, 5%. Si Diamond, up to 5th generation, 3%. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng generation? So, remember, dun sa direct referral mo, meron kang 50%. Now, if you're able to rank up your direct referral, that means, or you yourself, you rank up to silver position, magkakaroon ka pa ng matching doon sa mga tao niya. Doon sa mga directs niya na. Yun yung tinatawag na generation. So you can actually have matching from everyone in their team. Alright? So pakita ko lang in monetary value. Let's say for example, may 10 kang direct. Yung 10 direct mo, each earning $100. 50% matching bonus sa'yo, that's $50. 10 sila, that's $500. Mga direct mo yan. 'Di ba? And nag-silver ka na kasi yung 10, kumuha rin ng tag 10. May additional na 100 sa team mo. Each of those 100, earning $100 in the matrix, 10% na lang sa'yo, that's $10. 100 sila. That's an additional $1,000. Tapos yung 100, kumuha ng tag 10 uli. That's an additional 1,000 in your team. 3rd generation na yan. Gold ka na by then. So you get to enjoy up to 3rd generation. $50 na lang kunyari yung kinikita nila. 5% sa'yo, 250, 1,000 sila. That's $2,500. Yung 10, kumuha na lang ng tag 5. Additional 5,000 in your team. You're platinum already, kaya na-enjoy mo na yung 4th generation. $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nung 5,000. 5% sa'yo, 250. 5,000 sila. That's $12,500. Ngayon, yung 5 kumuha pa ng additional na tagpa 5. That's 25,000 people additional in your team. $30 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nila. 3% sa'yo, that's 90 cents. 25,000 sila. That's $22,500 additional generation bonus. Magkano yan? $39,000 monthly income for you. Why monthly? Kasi monthly naman po magbabayad ng $995 lahat yung mga taong yan eh. They continuously pay their subscription provided na makita nila yung value nung ipapalit ni Livegood dun sa kanilang subscription money. Right? Baka sabihin mo, Monchuri lang yan, haka-haka mo lang yan. Sige, let me show you an actual income. Now, before I do this, before I show you the actual income, I just want to say na nagawa na pong kitain to ng isang tao. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, pwede na po natin din kitain to. Depende lang sa gagawin nating effort. Sa ipuput nating effort to the business. Alright? This coach received last June a matrix bonus of 1,388. But look at the matching bonus. $12,367. 12 times more ng kanilang matrix income. Kaya nga sabi ko, kung na-overwhelm ka sa matrix income, talagang kakaiba tong matching bonus na to. Ito yung magpapayaman sa'yo. Ito yung makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap mo. Okay, nung June, diamond na rin siya, kaya meron siyang diamond bonus pool. Hindi ko pa dinidiscuss, meron na siya. Sige, discuss ko mamaya yan. Nung July, yung kanyang matrix is 1,299, but look at the matching bonus, 44,810. Wow, ang dami. That only means ang dami niya pong direct referral na kung saan nagmamatch siya. And crown diamond na siya kasi ang laki na ng kanyang diamond bonus pool. Alright? I mean, ang ibig sabihin din yan, since diamond na siya, yung generation bonus niya, talagang for every person na mapasok sa kanya, most likely, he's possibly earning 23% additional generation bonus. Imagine, 1 month income, $70,000. Saan po kayo nakakita ng negosyo na pwedeng kumita ng $70,000 in 1 month? That's 3.5 million pesos. Or more. Alright? Okay, pakita ko ngayon. Let's say for example, this is how good matching is. Kaya talagang ang ano namin dito, ang encouragement namin dito is for you to directly refer people to the program. So let's say for example, you successfully referred 20 people in the program. However, itong 20 na to talagang nag-ano lang, hindi nakapag-invite. Nag-try mag-invite, hindi nakapag-invite, but they remained a member. Until the time na puno yung mga matrix nila, each of them earning 2,047.50. 50% sa'yo kasi matching bonus, 1,023.75. 20 sila, that's $20,475. Monthly matching income for you. That's 1.1 million pesos monthly income po. Para sa inyo lang. And we're just talking of 20 referrals. What if 30 yung napasok mo rito? Ito ngayon, nagtrabaho, each of them earning 6,000 in their matrix. 50% sa'yo, that's 3,000. If 30 sila, that's $90,000 monthly matching bonus for you. That's 5 million pesos monthly income po. Monthly po yan kasi lahat po ng tao nagbabayad ng subscription nila. Alright? Now, there would be people na may invite mo dito na sasabihin talaga, basta hindi ako hindi ako magre-refer ng tao. Okay lang po, tanggapin nyo pa rin sila. Pero sabihin mo, ganito gawin mo. Ipasok mo yung family member mo. 2 family member lang. Bakit? Kasi ganito ang mangyayari sa'yo. Unang-una, magiging bronze ka. Pag nampuno yung matrix mo, yung matrix income mo aabot ng 4,095.50. Tapos, yung 2 family member mo, they'll have their own matrix. Pag napuno rin yan, their income would be 2,047.50 each. 2 sila, that's $4,095. Plus, may 50% ka pang matching bonus sa kanilang 2. So, that's an additional 2,047.50. Pag tinotal mo yan, that's 10,238 or a total of 500,000 peso monthly income. Alam mo, pag sinuggest mo to at ginawa nung kaibigan mo, time will come, pasasalamatan ka. Bakit? Kasi instead of just earning 2,047.50, kasi explicitly sinabi niya nga na hindi niya gagawin yung business, his family is earning $10,000 or 500,000 pesos monthly income. Daig pa po ang sweldo ng isang top executive. Right? Now dito sa DMW or Dream Makers Worldwide, meron tayong vision. Ang vision natin, 100 solid direct referrals. What do you mean by 100 solid direct referrals? That means, if you want to become a diamond and later on you will become a diamond, lahat yung 100 direct referrals mo, tutulungan mo na maging diamond din. Parang same vision tayo. I'll be a diamond, you'll be a diamond, the people under you will become diamonds as well. When that happens, just imagine, pag napuno yung matrix nating lahat at diamond tayo, umaabot ng 16,383.50 yung ating matrix income. 50% sa'yo, that's 8,191.75. 100 yung diamond referrals mo directly under you. Times 100, that's $819,175 month after month after month matching bonus. Magkano po yan? 45.8 million. 45.8 million pesos monthly income. Kung nagsimula ka sa Live Good, problema mo pera kasi wala kang pera. Pag inabot mo na tong position na to at ganyan na, natupad na tong vision nating ito, problema mo pa rin pera kasi sobrang dami na. Hindi pa ubos yung 45 million mo, may padating na naman next month. But just imagine this. Ilang pangarap na yung natupad mo sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Gaano nakalaki yung giving mo? Ano nang improvement yung ginawa mo sa church mo, having this much income? Ano na ang na-donate mo sa community mo? Ilang foundation na napatayo mo because of this income? And this is just a vision now, pero in the future, I'm not saying in the near future, maybe 5 years, 10 years, or even 20 years, it will become a reality. Right? Now, we're talking about ranking up. Kanina pinakita ko yung get to, help to, and repeat. That's just to fill your matrix quickly. But if you really want to rank up or to be promoted to the highest rank here in Live Good, the simplest way is to get 3, help them to get their 3, and then repeat. Alright? So ganito ang mangyayari sa'yo. Una, ikaw mag-isa, nakakuha ka ng 3, tapos yung 3 kinuha mo, kumuha ng 3, that's 9. And then the 9 got 3, 27, 81, 243. On the 7th week pa lang po, diamond ka na. Bakit? Ang requirement sa diamond is 2,500 active members. You already have 3,279 members in your team. Alright? On the 10th week pa lang po, crown diamond ka na. Kasi 50,000 active members lang ang kailangan ng Crown Diamond. In your team, you already have 88,572 active members. At tuloy-tuloy lang po yan. Ang maganda po nito, that same number of people in your team, sila yung mga na-bless mo through Live Good opportunity. Alright? So yung blessing po dito, hindi lang para sa sarili natin, pero para rin po dun sa mga taong nadadala natin dito. Kaya our encouragement is to bring people really in the business. Do the business, share the business. Sabi nga nila, when you receive a blessing, a great blessing, it is your obligation to share it to as many people as you can. Alright? So sharing po tayo. People helping people business. Now, we still have other means to earn like the retail commission. 10 levels di po yan. Paano po yan? Remember, may retail price tayo tsaka members price. Kukunin lang yung difference nun. So let's say, for example, the retail price is $18. and the member's price is $8. So the difference is $10. And then from the $10 na difference, kukuha ng 50%. That's your retail commission. Alright? Ang maganda nito, 10 levels deep din yan. So parang yung fast start bonus, you get to enjoy up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Now, if dun sa mga nagre-retail, bumibili ng retail sa shop site mo, marami, let's say you're an influencer already, you have an influencer bonus as well. Paano yan? Let's say for example, in a month, umabot ng 2,500 yung retail sales mo. So yung 50% na binibigay sa'yo, dadagdagan pa ng 10. So 60% of the difference between the retail price and the member's price will go to you. Pag umabot ng 5,000, dadagdagan ng 20, 70% na. 10,000, 30, 80% na. 25,000, 40 yung idadagdag, 90% na. Pag 50,000 and above, yung retail sales mo in 1 month, you get to receive the whole difference between the retail price and the member's price. Kasi yung 50% mo, dadagdagan pa ng 50%. Alright? Kaya maganda rin to. Maganda rin yung kitaan sa product sales. And then ito, bagong-bago, customer acquisition bonuses. Kasi dito po, if you're a member, tapos nag-refer ka ng another person and they become member as well, wala na po tayo supposedly kita sa mga product purchase nila. Kasi pareho na tayong member's price kung bumili ng products, right? Pero ito, dinagdag ni LiveGood. On the first order of your affiliate, meron ka pa matatanggap na customer acquisition bonus. Ano yan? That's 10%. Yung 10% nung kung magkano yung binili niya, let's say $300 yung binili niya, 10% of that is 30, will be given to the affiliates as customer acquisition bonus. Alright? Parang ano rin po yan, may 10 levels deep yan. So let's say for example, direct mo, di ba? So 10% is yung $30. Let's go for the $30. 10% is $30 kasi 300 yung binili niya, 50% sa'yo. So you get $15. Tapos yung nag-bronze ka, nag-silver ka, and whatnot, basta tuloy-tuloy yan, all the way up to 10 levels deep, parang yung fast start bonus. Alright? So that's new. Customer acquisition bonus up to 10 levels deep. Eto maganda. Sabi ko nga kanina, you have to continuously work to become diamond, to be promoted to the higher rank, in fact, to the highest rank, which is diamond. Bakit importante maging diamond? Kasi sila diamond, they receive the piece of the pie money. Ano yung piece of the pie money? Ano po yan? Profit sharing na po yan, na ino-offer ni LiveGood dun sa mga nagiging diamond. Okay, what does that mean? 2% of the total sales from all membership club product sales equally divided among all diamonds. So let's say, for example, total monthly sales is $15 million. Teka mon, $15 million monthly sale, totohanan ba yan? Just think about this. We have 1,050,000 members. Lahat nagbabayad ng $9.95. Gawin na nating $10 para hindi mahirap i-compute. That's already $10,500,000 monthly sales. Diba? May mga bagong affiliate pa. Ang bagong affiliate natin for a month, umaabot ng 100,000. Each paying $40. 100,000 times $40, that's already 4 million. So dun pa lang ang total na 14,500,000. Meron pa mga product sales. So kaya bang abutin yung 15 million monthly income ng company? Yes po. So ano gagawin dun sa 15 million? Kukurot ng 2%. Magkano yung 2%? 300,000. Tapos i-divide among all diamonds. Let's say for that month, let's say for example, 60 lang yung diamond ranks, qualified diamond ranks. So tag magkano sila? Tag $5,000 sila. Nakita nyo kanina, di ba, yung actual income, merong 5,900 na diamond bonus pool. Yan po yun, 2% piece of the pie money. Ngayon, hindi pa natatapos dyan kasi meron pa tayong tinatawag rich and famous money. ano naman yan, once you become a Crown Diamond, bukod dun sa natatanggap mong piece of the pie money, ka-share mo dun sa 2%, meron ka pang sariling 0.5%. And right now, we only have 2 Crown Diamonds in the whole world. Ang first Crown Diamond natin is Tim Miller, who is in the United States. And the second Crown Diamond is our very own Coach Fernan Santiago. Kaya we are so proud of him for reaching that Crown Diamond in a very short period of time. And they are the only ones who are enjoying this rich and famous money. Okay? Additional 5% doon sa 2% na natatanggap nila. So like, again, balik tayo doon sa example, 15 million. $15 million, 0.5% is $75,000 divided by 2 Crown Diamond. That's $37,500 for each of them. Right? Now, why am I telling you this? The reason I'm telling you this is because in as short as 1 year, we already have more than 90 diamonds and we already have 2 Crown Diamonds. Doable po ang mag-rank up to the highest rank here in Live Good. Bakit? Kasi 1 taon pa lang po tayong in operation. And what's best about it, they all started as affiliate member just like you and me. Meaning if they had that chance to become Crown Diamonds, if they worked out a plan to become Crown Diamond themselves, then kaya rin po natin. Kasi equal footing tayong lahat. Ang requirement lang to be Crown Diamond, first you have to become an affiliate member. Now, if you're not an affiliate member, I'm telling you, become an affiliate member now and then work your way up to become Crown Diamond. Alright? Now, kung hindi ka pa convinced, I'll give you top 5 reasons to join. Number 1, we're just officially launched globally, 2022 December. 1 taon pa lang po tayo in operation. Yep, we have phenomenally changed the industry, broke lots of records, not only in the industry, but in the entire entrepreneur business community. All right? And then we also have the highest quality and most affordable prices health products. Physician grade quality products po yan. Number 3, marketing system, tools, and trainings. Dito po, hindi kayo magsasawa sa training. Actually, hindi kayo mabibitin sa training kasi we have trainings for locals, for internationals. Lahat po, in the YouTube, ang dami pong recording makukuha. To be able to help you become Crown Diamonds yourself. To be able to help you do the business yourself. Alright? In fact, itong Zoom na to, this is one of the tools you can actually use and abuse. Alam naman namin na if bago ka pa lang, hindi mo pa kaya mag-present. So what do? You invite people, bring them to the Zoom, ako magpe-present, ako magko-close, pero kanino yung account? Sa'yo. Alright? And then a simple, powerful, lucrative, and very generous pay plan. In fact, ito pong company na to, they're giving away 85% of their income as compensation to the affiliate members. Okay, top 5 reason to join. Successful, fun, and winning team. This is my team. Hindi yung nasa gitna. That's the whole DMW team. Pero yan, yung mga nasa gilid-gilid, those are my team. And if you want to join us, feel free to do so. Okay, but make sure na you join the team of the person who invited you, who gave you this Zoom link. Siya po yung kayong dalawa are the ones who will work together as business partners to be able to make both you and your sponsor successful in this business. All right? And you have to remember, we're just starting. Wala pa nga po tayo sa pioneering stage. We're calling this the pillar stage kasi foundation pa lang yung pinupuno natin. Ito ang kagandahan. Those who believed first are the ones who would benefit first. Yes, lahat po tayo magbe-benefit. Even those na mag-join sa atin 10 years from now, they would still benefit. But guess what? We have 10 years of benefits before them. Kasi nauna tayo. Ngayon, kung nag-iisip ka pa, I'm telling you, decide now. Decide now to join, become an affiliate, and enjoy being one of the first. Ngayon, kung member ka na, hold on to your position. Don't forget to pay your subscription. Para wala ka nang isipin, bayaran mo yung isang taon, nakatipid ka pa na isang buwan. Why am I telling you this? Kasi yung 1,050,000 members, hindi pa po natin ini-scratch ang surface. We're looking at 200 million members, 500 million members, and more, and more. Because we are a membership club that pays. Ang future po ng Live Good, napakalaki. And our CEO has envisioned it already. At ang maganda sa ating CEO, he makes his vision come true. Alright? Now, the decision is still up to you kasi wala tayong pilitan dito. I'm here to present to you a good opportunity, but whether you grab it or not, it's really up to you. But you have to remember, lahat tayo, we are faced with the decision every moment. In fact, pagising pa lang natin, nag-decide na tayo whether we'll stay na at bed or on bed or we'll get up, di ba? Tapos pagtayo mo, nag-decide ka na naman, maghihilamos na ba muna ako o magtitimpla muna ako ng kape? Diba? So we're faced with different decisions. However, some decisions makes our lives worse. But some decision makes our life better. Alright? So the decision is up to you. Ito yung choices mo. What's next? Letter A. Okay, kung letter A kayo, meaning I'm in. Can you type A in the chat box? I'm in, meaning wala nang isip-isip pa. Sasali ako dyan, nakuha ko na. I love it. I believe in it. So you go back to the person, mag-register ka sa sponsors link niya, and then pay your $49.95. Or letter B, pwede naman shop at members price. Okay, I don't quite like to join the business, but I want the product. So I'll become a member. Ganun din, you go back to the person, ask for their sponsors link, and then pay $9.95 lang membership fee. Okay, or pwede naman, you're the type na, no thanks, I'm good. Thank you very much for presenting, pero it's not for me. Okay lang din po yon. Pero I highly recommend for you to use the product. Mura na siya, ang taas pa ng quality niya. At definitely, mababago yung health mo. Okay? So, balikan na naman doon sa person nagbigay sa'yo ng link na to. Hingin mo naman yung shop link niya. And then buy the products at retail. Kahit ano dito madesisyonan mo, we would gladly accept it. However, I would highly recommend for you to choose A. Choose I'm in. Alright? Decide to become a member because Live Good will change your life forever. Now, to help you even more, baka eto ka. If you can relate to this, maybe this is you today. You're overworked, underpaid, financially unsecured. Or pwede naman maganda trabaho mo, maganda kita mo, pero wala kang time sa family mo. Or you can be an overseas Filipino worker or OFW, nangungulila ka naman sa family mo like me before. Now, these are all active income. Whether maganda yung income mo dyan, kapos, zero, or whatnot, remember, time will come, you would retire. Now, what awaits you when you retire? When finally wala ka ng source of income. Naisip mo ba yon? Kasi tuloy-tuloy naman tuloy-tuloy ang expenses, yung income lang ang nawawala ng mga nagre-retire. However, I want you to imagine, after everything you've heard in my business presentation, I want you to imagine if you do live good today, where will you be in the months to come or in the years to come? Ito, nakikita ko na po to. Nakita ko na to sa mga members. Maybe it was a vision before, pero now I'm seeing it as a reality. We have more income than bills at the end of each month. Kung problema mo yung due date tsaka due na, yung mga due na bills, kung pinoproblema mo ngayon yan, pag mag-live good ka, just do live good. Seriously, pasok mo lahat ng effort mo for the next focus. Focus for the next 6 months, 1 year. I'm telling you, income will come in and you'll have no problem. You'll not be stressed with the expenses. Okay, life without debt. Unti-unti mong mababayaran yung mga kita mo. Minsan bibiglain mong bayaran lahat ng utang mo. At ang maganda nun, if you're debt-free, ang laki ng giving mo. Kasi hindi ka na stressed eh. Hindi mo naisipin, instead na ibigay ko sa kanya, pambayad ko na lang sa utang ko. Kasi wala ka nang binabayarang utang. Life without debt is really a stress-free life. And you'll have more time spent with your family and friends. Yes po. Because you'll have the time freedom. You will not be worried na kailangan mo magtrabaho 24/7 para lang ma-meet yung mga expenses mo. Right? And you'll have the freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. In fact, darating yung point, saan kaya ako mag-work ngayon? Sa Japan? Sa Italy? Hindi ka na stress, hindi ka na yung gigising ng alas 4 ng madaling araw para alas 7, nasa office ka na, tapos makakauwi ka sa bahay alas 10, matutulog ka na lang para gumising ng alas 4 ulit. Why? Because we're online. And at the same time, we leverage. There is leverage, the secret of the rich. And you can also take vacation as often as you like. Ngayon, kung yan yung hinahanap mong buhay, kung yan yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, I'm telling you, you do live good. You do live good, do it seriously. You don't have to do it forever. You do it for 2 years, na dire-diretso, focus, serious. That's the life you will have. And while you're doing it, unti-unti nang mangyayari yan. Kasi unti-unti na nangyayari sa amin yan eh. Right? Why? Because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. If you haven't decided to become a Live Good affiliate yet, I hope that after what I've mentioned to you, after the vision that I have given you, you would finally go back to the person who gave you this link and tell them, I am in. Letter A ako. I'm in. I want to pay the $49.95. Become an affiliate member and then work your way up to the top, become a diamond, and have the financial freedom you've been looking for. Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. So again, this is Mon Reyes. It has been my privilege to do this business presentation to you. And I really hope that you found value in what I've just presented. So again, go back to the person who invited you or who gave you this Zoom link and then get their sponsors link, register there, pay, and become an affiliate member today. All right? With that, thank you, good night, and see you at the top. Bye-bye! All right. All right. So good evening again, everyone. So at this point, it's 8:51. We still have time for some questions and answers. I don't know kung nakarating yung mga taga-post office Paranaque. If you're here, shout out to you. Thank you for your service. Yung mga taga-post office Paranaque. As well as those here, shout out to you. Thank you for your service. Yung mga taga-post office Paranaque. As well as those here, shout out to you. Thank you for your service. Mga package as well as those here, shout out to you. By the way, for those check your mga package as well as those yung ibigay nyo sa kanila and they would know kung nasan yung inyong products. Okay? Baka nandun lang kasi because there are times na bumabalik sa kanila yung mga products for some reason. Alright, siguro tuloy natin. Si Presi Hoya is saying, good evening, Coach Mon. Pa-shoutout po sa Team Glorious Dreamer, Qatar, Saudi, Dubai, Taiwan, Philippines, and Team Energy. Pati new invite ko, si Roland Violanta. Roland, are you here? Are you in the house? Dapat hindi ka na-invite ha, by the end of this night. Ano ka na? Affiliate member ka na. Hello, Miss Presi. Okay. Dumagdag Gina, live good morning po, Coach Mon. Hello. Derwin Agbayani saying watching from Boyombong, Nueva Vizcaya. Derwin Agbayani, good evening, Coach. Yes po, Coach. Rosalie Mercado, thank you po, inspiring words about Live Good. You're very welcome. Yes, I'm in. June Alcaide. Yes. By the way, for those who are affiliate members, I want you to rank up. Be promoted all the way to the top. Sabay-sabay tayo. Let's all rank up this next coming days. June Alcaide is saying I am. Jerlyn Montila is saying A, I'm in. iPhone. Hello, iPhone. Thank you. Thankful, Coach Mo, nadagdagan knowledge ko sa mga training you lahat po kayong speaker. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. God bless you rin po. At sa lahat po ng napapasalamat, you're very welcome and I praise God. I'm lifting all glory and honor and thanksgiving to God. Nel Alegre, maraming salamat po. June, thank you. Maria Janet of Canada, hello, good morning, early morning to you. Maria Janet. Thank you, Coach Mon. Thank you rin po. Riz is saying thank you, Liz. Lilane, ang daming thank you, Leia. Meron po ba shares Live Good sa ibang companies? What do you mean po, Miss Leia? Shares Live Good sa ibang companies. I'm not sure po of what exactly you mean, but if you're saying na parang is it like other companies joining all para to create Live Good? No po. Live Good was created by mga brainchild yan ni Noder tsaka ni Ben. Yes, Ben Glinsky and Noder Gazan, sila yung nag-usap nila about Live Good, sila yung talagang nag-work together to come up with Live Good. Okay? And we are not associated with any other companies. By the way, meron tayong pinapaikot ngayon that we are not